welcome back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Nadia, and in today's video we're gonna present you a renovated apartment that is only 2 minutes away from this nice place, which is the beach of La Mata. We are in the area of Puerto Romano. We have nice restaurants here in the center of La Mata, just in a minute from here. And it's gonna be a 1-bedroom apartment renovated for 140,000 euros. Nice area, you can rent it out, so it's interesting for investors. And now follow me to see it. So in just 1-minute walk, we already are at our building. And as you can see, it has access for a ramp. And also, all of this was renovated, so they are keeping very well maintenance of this apartment. So the building is really nicely maintained, and I like that in here we have all marble floors. And now let's get to the first floor. So let's get into the apartment. Now, and the first impression I have is that it's a really nice and sunny apartment because we already have natural light coming into the space. But now let's get to see what we have. When we access, we go to the living and dining areas, and I want to bring you to the terrace. Let's go enjoy the sun. So this is the terrace of the apartment, and as you can see, we have morning sun, which is amazing. And right now it's the 1st of December. This is amazing to have this nice weather, and this is really good because in our area you can enjoy sun more than 300 days a year. Now let's continue with the tour. So now I want to show you the kitchen. The kitchen is a semi-open plan, and it has been fully renovated. So you have everything that you need here, and all appliances are in really nice condition because they are recently changed. Now the same goes for the bathroom. We have here nice space and the shower plate, and everything here as well brand new. And here we get to the bedroom. It's a spacious bedroom. We have a built-in wardrobe and we have a window. Also, I think it's important to mention that we have air conditioner in here, and there's a community pool in this building. So this apartment you can get for 140,000 euros with Alicante Real Estate. You can rent this apartment out with our rental company as well, which is Alicante Holiday. And if you want any more information, as always, you can text us in the comments, or you'll have my contacts on the screen to do so. And yeah, thank you for watching as always, and see you on the next one. Bye.